quite literally so tired. But I have class right now, so I'm gonna log in and do it for an hour, and then I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna go back to sleep. Early, I don't turn my camera on because I look like a hot mess.
I am so bad at learning that, and it's kind of like I know your names.
Not gonna lie, I'm quite literally exposing myself right here. These are just a few of the clips that I took while I was in my class, and right here I look like a good student, but to be honest, going deeper into this, you'll see I pretty much do everything during my class, which I mean is good and bad. I like to be productive and multitask, even though I kind of suck at multitasking. But yeah, there's me making a friendship bracelet, watering my plants. God knows what I'm doing right here. I honestly don't know. Then I think I watered some more plants, which, you know, that's fun. At least I'm listening to class, right? You know? And then this is me being a good student, actually taking some notes.
Hey guys, I just finished class. It's like 11 and I'm quite literally so tired still. So I'm gonna go take a nap. I usually don't nap. I talk about how bad my sleeping schedule is all the freaking time. But usually when I have class, I'll wake up a little during it and I'll be fine for the rest of the day, but I'm so dead right now. So I'm gonna go take a nap on our love sack thing. My favorite night mat. Honestly invested in it. It's like cushy. Honestly, I could not sleep a second here without this thing. Hello. Hi, I'm taking a nap.
After class?
Yeah, I'm so tired. Like so funny. Good morning, guys. I just feel revived from that nap. I feel amazing. We're gonna get ready for the day. I'm gonna put you on a tripod. Okay, see you in 2 seconds. Nice. All right, hi guys. All right guys, so as I said a little bit earlier, I just wanna say a huge thank you to Amazon Prime Student for sponsoring this video. I'm just gonna be leaving little comments on the video, as you saw, with the name of each product so that I don't have to keep saying, and this is from Amazon Prime, because honestly I get so much stuff from them. They make being a college student so much easier in so many ways, so many benefits, some of them being all the like shopping benefits like 1-2 day shipping, free shipping, all of their Prime products, and beyond that they also have a bunch of other benefits such as Prime Video, Prime Music, Prime Book, so many resources, which is awesome. I've really been curling the whole frick out of my lashes. Amazon Prime Student also has Prime Photos, which you guys know I am a mad photo hoarder, so that one definitely comes in handy. One that I've been using more often is Prime Books because I've been trying to get into reading and such more. All in all, Prime Student offers an ever-evolving set of exclusive deals and offers for students that just makes being a student so much easier. You can check out the link in my description of this video to sign up and become a Amazon Prime student for a 6-month trial at completely no cost, which is amazing. You'll get all of the benefits that I just talked about and more. So once again, huge thank you to Amazon Prime Student for sponsoring this video. You'll see the endless ways in which I use this on a daily basis and in my college-ish life. It made my move a lot easier as well. I get so much of my stuff from there. Other than that, I'm just gonna chat a little about what's going on today. It's pretty gloomy out, but that's fine because today is going to be a productive YouTube and school grind day. As you saw, I already had class. I only have 1 class a day, which is really nice to be honest, but I do have homework daily. Yeah, that's pretty much it for now. Hope you guys enjoy this little day in my life. Hi, now I have makeup on. I look a lot better. We're going downstairs to try to get food. Usually I'll make coffee at home, but since I'm going to a cafe today, I might make like a smoothie or something. I usually use these things to make matcha. Came in little kits. I have this coffee I haven't tried out yet. Maybe I will make coffee. Oh, I know what I'm gonna eat. Y'all know I'm allergic to so much stuff. So what I've been eating a lot of is wow butter, which is just like soy nut butter because I'm allergic to like literally all nuts, all seeds. I can't eat like, this is bothering me. That was a little aggressive. It made it so bad. Whatever. But I'm allergic to all nuts, seeds, so I eat like wow butter. Literally all I eat. And then my mom, this is how she shows her love. She ordered this to my apartment for me. 6 of them. Oh, it's literally gone. Let's go chef something up. I have frozen banana that I just literally eat with straight soy nut butter, some fruit, and then I have my watermelon smoothie, which is so good, amazing. So I'm just gonna go eat this at our living table in the middle of this room, which is just real nice. I really wish this was more wide angled so you could see how funny I look right now, but whatever. I eat so much of this here. It's literally like the same stuff. I just eat mushrooms, soy nut butter with things, and fruit. Okay, my body's literally gonna die. I'll see you guys after. Hi friends, so it's a little bit later. I'm gonna go skate to a cafe, skate to a cafe actually to get some like schoolwork and like editing stuff done, but I'll see you guys there. I'm also really excited because I haven't had any coffee yet today and my caffeine addiction is just growing here. I'll see you guys on my skate. Also, here's the outfit. It's not cute whatsoever. I was not feeling it today, okay? But I'm just wearing these flowy black shorts, my Peppa Band-Aid from falling. Hopefully I don't fall again. Birks, and then this top that I thrifted in my home.
Then here's some clips of us skating. If you guys have seen either of our stories or I guess videos, we've been skating a lot and it's been really helpful with just getting around, getting acquainted with our area.
Hi friends. So I just skated with Vanessa to this new cafe by our place. I skated past here the other day and it looks super cute, so I'm really excited to try it. Ooh. Hello. Hey guys, update. I got my lavender latte. I'm feeling better because caffeine, but this cafe doesn't have any outlets or Wi-Fi, so we think we're gonna have to migrate over to a Starbucks.
Oh, lighting low-key fire here. We'll just recap. So basically, we went to that cafe. They have no outlets, they have no Wi-Fi. So we skated down to a Starbucks 3 minutes before Melanie had to take a couple business calls. We got here and we're like, okay, they don't even have tables for these chairs. Like, it's worse than the last spot we were at. There's no outlet. We're sitting on our skateboards. I was doing stuff on my laptop until it died. So now it's dead. So I'm just on TikTok. Melanie has one more call left and I'm debating going to the Taco Bell because maybe they'll have something there. We don't even have a chair. But we were laughing because we feel like this day has just like not been one of our best. Yeah. But like everything just goes wrong to the point where it's funny now.
It's just showing our life is not luxurious at all.
Just so no one gets
Yeah, I know. It's pretty annoying. Sorry about the noise too.
I think that Melanie looks confused. Melanie, this is doing a lot of pointless footage, so I'm just gonna stop recording right now.
So we just vibed out at this Starbucks here for literally 2 hours while I had my meeting. Now we're gonna skate back because I have an exam and Vanessa's gonna edit and we need to move our car so that Ashley can go on her cute little ice cream date.
Nice.
And we're skating home now. We just got home. It was a rough skate day for us. It was a solid like 3 out of 10 kind of skate. I spilled coffee over my hand. Yeah, and I fell and I got a wood chip stuck in my hand, but now I have an exam, so have no time to sorrow over it. So I need to cool off my perspiration while I take this exam. Let's do it.
This is a time lapse of the first 10 minutes of my exam where I didn't even know how to open the exam.
I don't remember if I told you guys, but I just failed my exam and so we're going grocery shopping. That has nothing to do with the exam, but we're going grocery shopping. The focus isn't working, but we're right now at Trader Joe's. They're both dressed really cute and I look like a crayon. Yeah, I look like a Crayola marker.
Then here's some clips of my roommates and I doing our favorite activity together, going to Trader Joe's and walking around aimlessly for a couple hours. This is our favorite thing to do at nights. This is how we like to party it up here in California. It's really, really fun.
Guys, we're good to go.
I got 4 bags.
Basically, that's all we came here for. Oh wait, I want more of these fig thingies.
Here's some of the couple goodies that I picked up while I was here on this Trader Joe's run.
This stuff is bomb.com. This stuff is also bomb.com. And those crunchy curls that Ashley just got are also bomb.com. Kombucha? New kombucha. That's crazy. Successful Trader Joe's. Now we're going to Sprouts. Yippee. Yeah.
We need to get 3. We do, because if not, we're just gonna go back.
We're at the melon store.
This is future Melanie talking, and yes, if you were curious, we did end up finishing our 3 watermelons in about the span of 5 days.
Easy.
Nice. Oh my god, wait, they all probably crushed.
Fruit time.
Yeah. I was looking for pickles, but oh, pickles!
It's watermelon time.
This one sounds so good. Oh my god.
She knows. They're so funny, guys. Look at them. I love that. Guys, look how big it is.
Wait. Those are too big.
Guys, it looks so weird. This is how we're ending off our night. I'm gonna end off my day in the life here. We're gonna go home and taste test the stuff, but it'll be in a video on highlight reel. So go check out that channel, of course. That's it for this video. See you guys in the next one. And thank you to Amazon Prime Student for sponsoring this video. Bye, guys.
I know it's getting